Hey, we have a video from Underwatch, and the title of the video is entitled "Daughter Loses It After Mom Calls Cops to Arrest Her, Ends Unexpectedly."
No, what's this?
I don't do heroin.
No, you're under. That is
Heroin?
You're under arrest.
On January 4th, 2025, officers responded to a call from a woman to give her little 49-year-old daughter a reality check. From the second the officer approached her, it was clear this wasn't going to be simple.
Wait. 49-year-old daughter, a reality? 49?
No, you're under arrest.
On January 4th, 2025, officers responded to a call from a woman to give her little 49-year-old daughter a reality check. From the second the officer approached her, it was clear this wasn't going to be simple.
Hello. Are you the one that called, ma'am? What's going on today?
Tired of my daughter. I'm sick of her.
Well, hang on. Before we go inside, what's going on?
She's drunk and the noise. I can't take.
Okay. Hey.
Come on, police. Come on, officer. Yeah, come on, officer. Let him in. Let him in.
Whoa.
This is Latanya Cochran. Take her. Take her.
Relax.
Take her.
What's going on?
I need some peace and quiet, officer.
My mom is like really devastated with me.
Yeah, she's drunk and I can't take it off.
Can I? All right,
So
Let me call my sister. Let me call my sister.
All right, hang on.
Let me call Crystal.
Can you talk with my partner? I'm gonna talk with my
Mom.
What's going on?
My mom is like really devastated. Me and sister.
Okay.
My daughter want to smoke crack, right? My
Latanya,
daughter smoke crack. I don't want my daughter to.
stop screaming.
Okay.
All right, just talk to me. Can you take a seat real quick?
I can't.
I need
I
you.
can't. I don't want to. Listen, my daughter boyfriend just in jail. Like county jail. Ma, you gonna let me in jail, ma?
No.
You gonna let me in jail, ma? I'm a here.
No.
I'm gonna. I know I'm a.
Stop screaming.
I have anxiety.
Okay.
I'm
You're even in
Can I
trouble.
piss?
Just
Can I
stop.
piss?
Just
Can I pee pee?
stop.
Can I
Just
pee pee?
sit.
Crystal.
Sit.
Ma!
You noise racking. You
need to sit,
noise racking. You just noise racking.
Sit down and calm down.
Okay, I wanna when I pee though, you're not gonna watch me piss.
Okay.
That's what you're not gonna do, officer.
Okay.
Instead of acting quietly like any sane person would have, she decided to test the officer's patience, and not in a funny TikTok prank kind of way.
Ma! So when
Stop
I
yelling!
it's gonna be your fault.
Stop yelling.
I'm scared of y'all.
All right, turn around. Put your hands behind
No.
you.
I wanna talk.
Sit your hands-
Officer Grace, I wanna talk.
Put your hands behind you.
Oh, now you want to talk.
I'm gonna talk.
Get her together.
Mom, take my son. Can I talk?
I'll take her phone. No, you haven't gone. You're under arrest.
Okay, I know that though.
Turn around.
No, I'm pissing.
Turn around.
I'm pissing.
Turn around.
I'm pissing.
On your stomach.
Mom!
Put your arm behind your back.
I don't smoke crack.
Okay.
Oh, you're kicking me. Mommy?
Walk it out.
Mommy? What the?
You pick my mama up. My mama
You're not doing
calls
anything
her. My mama calls her. My mama calls her, bro. My mama calls her. Mom!
Honestly, it's like she's literally allergic to silence. But give her some credit, in just 3 minutes, those frantic cries to catch her mom are about to become the best prophecy of her entire life.
Let go of the cough.
And I know that. You punch me.
Oh, dang.
Mom, I need you, Mom. Mom, you know I need you, right?
No, you're going to Lake County Jail now.
Mommy!
Stop yelling.
Send us the officer. Send a female.
You can do it at the jail.
Mom!
You can
Mom,
do it
I
at the
need
jail.
you, Mommy. I'm 49.
And stop calling for your mommy.
Mom.
You're an adult. Be accountable.
Exactly.
Let's go. What is that?
What is that?
I'm tired.
Heroin.
Heroin.
I don't have heroin. I don't got no heroin, bro. What? That's not heroin.
I watched it. I watched it fall out of your pants.
Bro.
It's on camera.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Who are you?
I'm the officer.
Mom!
Right?
Get out of here. You so full of shit. Get the on out of here. Get the out of here.
You're gonna be
Mom,
fine.
tell him to call a female officer.
You're gonna be fine.
No. Mom!
No, we're going to.
Call a female officer, bro. What is that? What y'all just served me with? I don't even do heroin.
What's this?
I don't do heroin.
We got a couple of
No, I don't. And y'all do not. Y'all don't.
I already did it. That fell out of your pants.
That did not fall out of my pants.
This fell out of your pants.
I don't have no trunks.
This white powdery substance
that?
fell out of your pants.
What is that?
We'll figure it out.
What is that?
We'll figure it out.
What is that?
This looks like heroin.
Man, come on, bro.
Don't worry. We have a female officer coming. She's gonna find whatever's on you, and then we'll handle it then.
Okay. Can you stand me up? Then can I pee?
No, you can stand up like an adult.
Yeah, you could tell. Just because her actions, like, don't get me wrong, drunk people, they get emotional and stuff like that too, but she kind of got a fidgetiness to her, right? And that's not even a word. I think I just made that up, but she got kind of like that jittery type. You know what I mean? And in that, you tend to see more with the type of stuff that she's taking. You know what I mean? Or that was found. Alcohol is kind of like, you know, they get real emotional, you know, crying and stuff, but they're not really like, alkies are not really like jittery, you know, like getting the sweats and all of that. Like all that, nah, not really like that. You know, doing stuff like that, when you on, you know, that that crack rock, you know what I mean? When you on that heroin, gotta hit the needle. What they do, when you on they gotta put the what they put like a rubber band or a thing around they to get the vein to pop. They be like, gotta hit their arm, get that thing to pop, boy. Yeah, that they start getting the sweats all jittery and all of that. Like, nah, they kind of like real Looney Tune. Like, alcohol don't really do that. You know, there's a difference.
Somebody like me pee.
No.
I want to pee.
You can stand up like an adult. Let's go.
Hats off to the daughter for the opening act, but it's time for a cast change. The spotlight is shifting to the mother now, as her next move is about to steal the entire show.
You can stand up like an adult. Let's go.
What? Apple don't fall far from the tree? Intentionally destroying criminal.
What did you just flush? Why did you flush that?
Because I want it out of my house.
You're under arrest. Why are you under arrest? No, you're under. That is no, you're under arrest. No, stop!
Destroying criminal evidence. Yeah. Oh, gotta get mom together. Oh, wow.
You're under arrest.
Come on, Ma.
Nope, destruction of evidence is a crime.
Don't do that to my mom. Okay.
Watch your punk.
My mama don't know nothing. Okay.
No, that's fine. That doesn't give her the right to destroy evidence. Ma'am.
Don't do this to my mom.
Ma'am.
My mama's gonna have a heart attack.
All right, well, I need to roll her on her side so she can breathe.
Oh my God, call the ambulance.
Stop! You're not making it any better.
My mom's gonna have a heart attack.
No, she's not.
She is.
No, she's not. Well, then she shouldn't have done that. All right? You don't do that in front of cops.
What did she do?
She destroyed whatever was in your goddamn pants.
What's in that? Nothing in my pants.
She flushed it, which is a crime. That's why she's in handcuffs.
Flush nothing, bro.
I watched her!
You have it on tape?
Yeah. All right. You guys are acting the same way. Oh, wow. You're awake.
Yo, fucking mammy motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yo, mammy
Yeah.
white motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yo, mammy mother. Yo, mammy mother.
There she is.
Yo, mammy mother. Yes, yo, mammy mother.
Yep. No, it's because she destroyed drugs.
Yeah, they both fiends, to be honest.
I just pissed. I just pissed, Ma. I just pissed. What in the world?
So she's under arrest for the warrant.
Unbelievable.
She's under arrest for destroying evidence. She flushed cocaine down the...
Cocaine. Can you give us the phone call? Can you give us the phone call? What's mom's name? Catherine Wade.
Catherine, I need you to wake up.
My mom's gonna have a heart attack.
No, she's not.
She is.
No, she's not. Well, then she shouldn't have done that. All right? You don't do that in front of cops.
What did she do?
She destroyed whatever was in your goddamn pants.
What's that thing in my pants?
She flushed it, which is a crime. That's why
Man,
she's
they
in here.
replaying what just happened, just a different angle.
You have it on tape?
Yeah. All right, Catherine, let's sit up.
Mine.
Let's sit you
Mine,
up.
for
So,
real, mine.
what we could do with
really,
her-
Mine, really? Really,
Just
mine?
sight her unseen.
Mine, for real,
Get
mine.
this one down.
Mine.
And, I mean, what
Mine,
else you
really,
got
mine.
besides a
Mine,
class A?
come on, mine.
You know?
Mine.
Apple doesn't fall far from the tree. That's
What
for
do you
sure.
mean?
That's
You're
true.
acting the same way. Oh, wow, you're awake.
Yo, fucking mammy mother.
Yeah.
Yo, mammy mother.
Yeah.
White mother.
Yeah.
Yo, mammy mother. Yo, mammy mother.
There she is.
Yeah. Yo, mammy mother.
There she
Yes, you, yo, cocksucking son of a bitch, you.
Nope.
You get your mother hands off me. You get your mother.
Not until you calm down.
Bitch, not till you calm down, mother.
I just had to fight you and your.
Mine, what did I do to you?
I just had to fight you and your
Mine,
daughter.
what did I do?
Cause you got,
Mine, what did I do?
We're gonna have you sit
Mine, what did
in the
I do?
chair.
Mine,
We're black.
No, it's because you just.
I just pissed myself. Mine, what did I do?
Just write her real quick. We'll get her out of cuffs. We'll get this one down.
That's all they gonna do is me. That's what they gonna kill. These white people gonna kill. These white people gotta kill these white.
The daughter, Latanya, was transported to the Lake County Jail on an active warrant and was issued a citation on scene for resisting a peace officer, Class A, on a notice to appear. Upon arrival, and while being searched by correctional staff, Latanya spontaneously uttered that she did not have any more drugs on her. Thereafter, she was turned over to corrections. Following this, the reporting officer returned to the police department to screen Mother Catherine's charge with the Lake County Felony Review. At that time, Assistant State's Attorney Thias was contacted and provided with the facts of the case, after which he approved the charge of obstructing, destroying evidence, Class 4. Subsequently, Catherine was processed and released on a notice to appear with the Lake County Courthouse. What's your take on this case? Comment below.
Yeah. So I get it. Underwatched, the actual footage was very short, so you guys tried to extend it 10 minutes. Word of advice, video really only need to be 8 minutes for them to get them ads in the middle. But 10 minutes, that's the old method. So if you're watching this, you didn't have to extend it like that, because you just played the same thing, just the different body angle to extend the minutes, and then with the narrator at the end to make it 10 minutes long. You only need the video to be 8 minutes. Okay, there you go. Helped you out. But anyway, yeah, man. They both fiends, man. Like the cop said, apple don't fall far from the tree, and it's true. They're both, like, the mom, she called the cops there, and then she's working against the cops. Like, you should have just dealt with it yourself. If she's tripping out, deal with it yourself. Don't call us there. Come on, man. That's unbelievable. But overall, the officers did a good job, man. They get a 5 out of 5 from me. Man, 49 years old, acting like that, living with your mom, like, at 49. Damn, what a waste of life. What have you been doing? What have you been doing for the last, we'll just say, the last 29 years? Because if you're 49, we'll take 29 years. I'll put you at 20. So what have you been doing? Golly. Anyways, so 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.